This is where I'm at this morning. I was too lazy to get the propane stove up to heat water and too lazy to get the bowl out. So I'm using a measuring cup to eat instant oatmeal with cold water. Judge me if you must, but it will taste good. So I'm taking this guy on his morning walk, and we just made it to the top of this hill. So, I mean, there's more back that way, but this is as far as I'm going. All right, bud, let's go back down.
We are heading out to the Guadalupe Mountains now.
Yeah, this road is a bit rough, but I made it up here, so clearly I can make it down. Okay, slow, crossover, do a little crossover. Okay. So I just had to turn around and come back to this gas station, the Marathon that's over on my right-hand side here, because I had like half a tank and there's no services, no gas for the next 145 miles. I probably would be fine.
US 180 west for 32 miles.
My range said like 210 miles or something, but I would rather have a full tank. John has plenty of gas, so he didn't turn around, and now me and Hudson are back on the highway here, and we're gonna catch up to him. So it turns out John was waiting for us. He was at a little pull-off on the highway, so he just hopped back on in front of me. What a nice brother. It is super windy. This is really close to the visitor center. Yep, Johnny's here.
This is interesting. This is the first visitor center that's like fully open.
Ooh, tarantula.
Yeah, I don't need to see that.
We're gonna go on the Pinery Trail right now. It takes us to some ruins of like an old stagecoach.
It's interesting to see the difference in like, I don't know, like security or facilities at these national parks. Like this one, there's no like check ranger station. Like you don't drive through like a booth, like a toll booth to get in.
Oh, I thought you were just talking to me.
No, if you like wind and you like ruins, this is the park for you. We're just trying to find the stagecoach ruins, which we don't even know if there are. But we feel like that's what the ranger told us.
All right, we have reached the ruins. What do we got going on here? Please do not climb on walls. Okay, 10-4.
Where's the stagecoach?
I thought they said Whoops. I thought they said a stagecoach, but maybe they just meant this wall. I don't know.
All right, so here's some more ruins. Here's a look inside the door.
Goblin!
These dang goblins are everywhere. I want to see a broken stagecoach.
Me too.
Hydrating after the walk.
Oh, he does not like to be filmed. Driving up to the visitor center. Hudson's not really allowed on any trails, but he's allowed to walk on this road. Or that's what the ranger said. She said the rangers who have dogs, they walk their dogs here. So that's what we're gonna do. This is McKittrick Canyon, and we're just gonna walk a ways down this road. We're back in the New Mexico time zone apparently, because it says it's 10:49. So we're just flip-flopping hours all over the place.
Admit, even walking in person is not the funnest. So here's our view. I hope you can hear me over the wind. I am yelling. Just made it back from the walk. Super windy. As you can see, my hair has fluffed up a bit. Wow, I'm looking weird. Not loving it, but it's a good walk. Now we're gonna head to Big Bend.
So we finished our walk. We just drove back to the other visitor center, put in directions for Big Bend.
Turn right onto US 180 west, US 62 west.
John thought it was 2 hours away. Nope, it's 3 hours and 40 minutes. driving across Texas. This is what I remember of Texas. These flat fields of nothing.
A little gas stop. Yeah.
We are in the McDonald's drive-thru. I got some McDoubles and a fry, so Hudson's gonna have a couple bites of that. Of course, he's gonna have his regular dinner too. We still have an hour to drive to Big Bend, so we gotta find a campsite because it's already 3:30. Dinner in the McDonald's parking lot. Huh? Was it good?
We were like an hour away from the park entrance. Then we were looking to find camp. And there's not too much around. There's a bunch of campsites that you gotta pay for, which is what we're gonna do. We're gonna camp in the park, but it's a 2-hour drive. So we're driving 5 hours instead of the 3. So we made it to the entrance to Big Bend, the sign anyway. Jess and Hudson are over here. We still got, I don't know, like an hour drive.
52 minutes.
Yeah.
We are at the entrance station right here to Big Bend National Park. You were sticking your head out the window. We going too fast now? We were not able to make a reservation because we have no data connection, so we're just going to show up to the campsite and hope that they have a spot. We are headed to the campground right now, but you're supposed to make a reservation. We have no connection to do that though, and it says by reservation only. So hopefully we can get a spot and this is not an issue, but we shall find out. If we can't get in because we don't have a reservation, this is gonna suck. When we looked back 2 hours ago before we drove here, there were spots. I'm sure there is still spots, but we have no connection, so we cannot get online to make a reservation. Your mama, baby. Look at this. How awesome. Full. Campground full. Oh no. This is baloney. So we definitely should have reserved a campsite because they're all gone. They're all gone. We're driving back out of this canyon right now. This sucks. We really should have made the reservations earlier, but we didn't. And now we don't know what we're doing, and it's already pretty much dark, so not great. Not great. So John does not want to stealth camp in this parking lot, so we're continuing on, and we're going to another campground. If I was alone, I think I would just park here. Wow, that's pretty, huh? That is. We do have to keep up with John, though, because I got no idea where we're going. In terms of reservations, we have none. In terms of time before dark, we have none. In terms of plans, we barely have one. I don't know what campground we're going to. And who says they're going to have a spot, so I don't know. I'm not excited to go to this campground. We're still driving, but we're getting to enjoy the sunset. Hopefully this next spot that we get to has a place to camp. Otherwise, I don't know. We're just going to pull over on the side of the road somewhere. I don't think this is... Oh, maybe this is a camp spot.
I don't know if it's really a site.
Let's drive a little further.
Yeah.
A bit.
Alright.
I filmed my annoyance mostly.
I talked to Mom. I told her, I said, I'm going to hang up with you. I'm just too angry.
Yeah, that's mostly why I was annoyed, but I'm moving past it. Because John was just being angry, so it was making me mad too. But we're figuring it out.
Alright, I've basically committed to trying to find a campsite on this dirt road. Said there's some. We passed one, had someone in it. I know there's at least another one based off my map. This road's actually not that bad. There's a lot of these, I don't know, little hills like this. I don't know. We're probably gonna get to the end here and there's gonna be someone here. And then we're gonna have to turn around and park at the little pull-off we saw, because I don't want to pay for a site.
We're at least like 3 miles back on this road now. Probably more. And we've seen 2 spots that the one definitely had someone camping there. The other one, it looked like it had a trailer drop there. 1000% are by a campsite right now. We're in the camping area for sure. Now we just gotta see if there's any spots. I don't know what John's doing. High clearance only. Is this a spot?
Turn around in here.
I think we can both pull in
Yeah,
over here though.
Well, I'm just gonna pull in and park right here.
Like right next to me?
Right there.
I was just gonna park over here.
Yeah, I'm saying you just stay parked right there.
Oh, why could I not park over there?
I don't want to invade their space as much.
Okay, come park next to me. Hashtag stealthy. This is not an official site, but we're parking here. Parking by the high clearance sign. No. Okay, there, much better. I was like, holy. Alright, fantastic. Alright, we're parked for the night. Hop out, bud. Hudson, Jesus. Alright, well, this is where we're staying.